Welcome to the custom applesauce pouch tutorial. This is super easy to personalize with any theme or character. If you don't have the template yet, make sure to grab it. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out the other matching snack templates. Before we get started, let me quickly show you what's included in the template. First up is the design guide. This helps you understand what each shape is for. Next is the editable template, where you can change colors and designs on top of and within the shape dimensions. And lastly, you'll see a drag and drop version, perfect for adding images, patterns, or anything else you want to make it your own. I'm going to select the template and change the color. I want it to be white, but I'll need to give it an outline since I won't be able to see it. I'm going to change the thickness as well. Now, I'm going to go to Google and find our images. I want my applesauce to look like a bottle of glue, so I will search for the front of the glue bottle, download it, and then save it to upload to Canva. Now that my image is in Canva, since I only want the label portion, I am going to crop the rest of the image as needed using the crop tool. Now, we need to lock our shape so the image doesn't drop into it. To do this, we will hit the lock icon twice. Then we can adjust our image into place onto the shape. Next, I want to replicate the shape on the glue, so I will add a triangle, adjust its size, and then round all the corners. I will also change the color and give it a border while adjusting the thickness of the border. I'm going to do the same thing but with a rectangle. Resize it, then adjust the corners, change the color, and give it a border. Now, I'm going to go back to Google and find the Applesauce pouch brand logo and then PNG. Find the logo with a transparent background, save it, and upload it to Canva. After, I'll resize it and adjust it into place. Once everything is designed, we're going to save it. You're going to hit share, then we are going to select it as a PNG or PDF print, and then you are going to select the current page and hit download. Now you are ready to print. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.